Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1964 Mgb Mk1 Roadster, finished in tartan red, black interior, 4-speed, wire wheels, black top. We just purchased this car from, I believe it was the state of Montana. Nice little early Mk1 here, in good driver condition all the way around. I'll just do a slow walk around here. Kind of a modest repaint, but still really glossy, showing nicely. Good panel fit. Pretty solid car all the way around. We didn't see any corrosion issues going on. But these, this is the most desirable of the MGBs, these Mk1s. So this is a 65. It's got an 18 GA engine, which I believe is the 5 main bearing. But really good body and paint, good chrome. Like I said, paint's kind of modest, but you know, perfectly nice and acceptable for this driver quality car. Nice little windshield, original looking windshield. Top is excellent. This has a new top fitted. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So this is that classic metal dashboard on these early MGBs, the original banjo steering wheel, original seats, kind of an older interior, but still in pretty good condition overall. Let's take another look at that interior. But like I said, the top on this car is in like nearly new condition. This car is nice that it's fitted with the DELUXE folding soft top frame, which was a really desirable option on these early cars. So you can just pop the top up; it stays attached. Unlike most of them, where the top frame has to, you know, become separated from the car and put in the trunk. But you can see nice, when they reupholstered the car, they did some nice custom door panels. Seats are in good condition with these little corduroy inserts. So that's completely nice and comfortable and fine for this driver. Dash is in really good shape. You can see that front top pads, original and just excellent condition. Gauges. I've driven this car. We're going to do a driving video. It came in, we fitted a new battery, started right up, brakes and clutch were good, revs great, goes down the road real nice. We're going to show you that shortly in this car's driving video. Let's take a look at the engine compartment. This car was originally a red car. When we were placing the battery, I saw tartan red all over. At some point, the engine bay received a bit of some paint treatment just to blacken it. But yeah, original early SU engine cranking out that good horsepower. Back of the hood looks really good, really nice and hollow. But yeah, 65, I believe, was right when they went from the pull door handle to the later push button that we have here. Nice about MGBs, they just got these nice big doors you can just get in and out of real nice. So trunk's blackened. Have a look in the still photos, but that's an easy fix by just fitting a carpet kit from Moss Motors. Dress the carpet up nicely. But yeah, real nice little Mk1 1964 MGB Mk1 Roadster. Good body, good driver paint, really with no problems. Pretty nice chrome interior, mechanically great. Take a look at that driving video. And very good value going forward. This car's for sale, fresh to the market. It's on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.